Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to check your order history on Amazon. So whether you want to track your past purchases, your download, invoices or review the previous orders, this process is very quick and easy. First of all, you need to open your Amazon application on your phone. Now you need to log in into your Amazon account if you haven't already. Over here, click on the U tab here in the bottom. Now click on the option of orders. Now as soon as you click on the option of orders, it is going to show you your order history right away. So it is with the name purchase history, and as you can see it is going to show me my purchase history for the past 3 months. It is written over here. But if you want to filter it out and you want to view the order history of the last year, let's say, so you can also tap on the filter option on the top right hand corner. Then among the given filters, you can just simply tap on the year and then you can apply the changes. For example, I have selected 2026 and now it is going to show me all of my order history of 2026. You can also search for any of the orders by using the search bar here on the top. So that's how you can get access, or that's how you can check your order history on Amazon. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.